today is a barbell class, so all you will need is a bar, some plates or weights. If you don't have that at home, that's fine, just grab something to give you some resistance, and that's it. This is our set stance. You want the heels under the hips, toes out slightly, and then abs in nice and tight, chest lifted, and you grab the bar with knees, shoulders up, back and down, and that's it. Drive the weight through the heels and we're ready to go. I'm going to start the music. Okay, so pick up your bar, shoulders up, back and down. Start with a deadlift. 2-2, let's go. Down, down, up and up. Drive the weight in the heels. Hips go back. Tempo, 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1, lift. 3, 2, slow neck row. Bar goes down to knees, into belly, down to the knees, and rise. Again. Down, in, down, single time. Knees, belly, knees, rise. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep the elbows in and back. This time, down for 3. For 3, 2, 1. Reset, go again. Second round, deadlift, 2-2. Down, down, up, and up. We should be warming up a little bit now. New tempo, down and hold. 1, 1, 2, and 1. Keep going. Upright row, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, and 1. Elbows high and wide, bar close to body. Okay, single deadlift, single high pull now. Deadlift, high pull. So bar to knees, then chest. We drive the hips forward, up to the tiptoes. Slow clean and press. Bar comes up, drop, drive, catch, and set. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, speed it up, single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop, drive, catch, and set. Last one, bar up and over, heel toe, single squats. 8, 7, hips back and down. 4, 3, 2, heel toe wider. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, step in, deadlift, 2-2, down, down, up, and up. This is the last round. Down and hold. 1, 1, 2, 1. Make sure you hinge the hips. Upright row. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, and 1. Keep that bar close to body. Single deadlift, single high pull. Deadlift, high pull. 1, 2, that's it. Slow clean and press. Bar comes up, drop, drive, catch, set. Again. Single time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Bar up and over. Left leg back. Single lunge. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, step in and change. 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step in. Bar up and over. Well done. Okay, shake it out. So squat track next. So you will need 2 to 4 times your warm-up weight on the bar and a large plate. So get your bar ready. Grab a drink if you need one. So you want the set stance, heels outside of the hips, toes up slightly, chest lifted, abs in nice and tight, nice soft knees and drive the way through the heels. When you're ready, clean and press the bar onto the meaty part of the back and we'll get going. Shoulders up, back and down. Okay, we're going to start with squat, 2-2. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up and up. Drive the weight through the heels. Knees track in line with the toes. Hips back and down. Okay, we're going to do one squat, what heel lift. Down, up, down, lift. Down, up, down, lift. Let's have a cardio kick, just the calf raise. Down, lift, down, lift. Hold, heel toe, squat 2-2. Down, down, up, up. Four more. Hips back and down. Keep them abs in. Slow it down. 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Lift. Flip it. 1 and 3. 1, 3, 2, 1. One squat, one heel lift. Down, up, down, lift. Just the heel lift. You can feel it in them legs. Single squats. Three, 2, 1. Heel toe. Squat 2-2. Down, down, up, up. Keep going. Combo, 1 squat, 1 heel lift. Okay, just the calf raise. And hold. Take the bar, grab your plate, rack it on the collarbones, 2-2 squat. Okay, get full depth here. Hips back and down. Three and 1. 3, 2, 1, lift. This is the last round. 1 and 3. 1, 3, 2, 1. One squat, 1 heel lift. Down, up, extend. Go for the triple extension to really work the posterior chain. Just the extension. Squat press. Four, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Okay, take the heels above. And change. Next is chest track. So all you need is your step on the highest setting. And you need 2 medium plates or dumbbells for the last 2 rounds. The first 2 rounds we'll use the bar. Okay, so chest track. Grab the bar, wide grip, shoulders back and down, drive the lower back into the step. Okay, start with a slow press, 4 and 4. Down, 3, 2, 1, lift. Three and 1, 3, 2, 1, lift. Single time, down, up. Three, 2, 2 and 2, down, 2, lift, 2. Three and 1, 3, 2, 1, lift. Keep the shoulders back and down. Single time. Down, up, down, up. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, dig to the bar. Grab your plates and lie back. Plates face each other. Fly. 2, 2. Down, 2, lift, 2. Keep a slight bend in the elbows. One more. Slow it down. 4 and 4. Down. 3, 2, 1. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Bottom half pulse for 4. Down. Half. 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 Down and lift. Half, half, and again. Down, half, half, and hold. 2, 2, 2, lift, 2, down, 2, lift, 2. One more. Slow it down. 4 and 4. Down. 3, 2, 1. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Okay, bottom half pulse for 4. Down. Half. Half. And again. Last time. Nice surprise, an extra 2 rounds. One more time. Half, half, and release slow. 3, 2, 1. Okay, up you come. Bring the arms wide, stretch out the chest. Okay, all you need now for back track is your bar. Go roughly chest weight on the bar, and our key movement is our clean and press. So the bar comes up, drop, drive, catch, and set. We have the same combination as the warm-up. 1 deadlift to 1 high pull. So bars up whenever you're ready. Shoulders up, back and down. Abs in nice and tight, chest lifted. Okay, start with the deadlift. 2, 2. Down, down, up, up. Okay, 1 deadlift, 1 high pull. Deadlift, high pull. Deadlift. High pull. Keep it going. Okay, 8 clean and press. Drop, drive, catch, set. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want an option, 1 clean and press to 1 row. Like this. 1 row. 4 more. 1 row. Deadlift. 2, 2. Keep it going. Single deadlift, single high pull. Deadlift, high pull. Short round this time. 4 clean and press. Keep the bar close to the body. Double dead row. Take it down. 2, 1, and rise. Combination, 1 deadlift, 1 high pull. Deadlift, high pull. Eight clean and press. Power through. Remember the option, 1 clean and press followed by a row. Two more. Last one. Bar down, recover. Shake it out. Give me torso twists. Roll up the shoulders. Grab the bar. 2 more rounds. Slow dead row. So it's knees, belly, knees, and rise. Single deadlift, single high pull. Four clean and press. Last round, double row. Down. 2, 1, and lift. So check in on your form. Single deadlift, single high pull. Deadlift, high pull. Last time, 8 clean and press. Four more. Wide row for 7. 7. 3, 2, 1. Reset one more time. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Okay, ditch the bar. Okay, now abs. Our last working track. All you need is a plate, or you can use body weight. Move anything else out of the way. Start with the plate above the forehead, and we start with a crunch for a count of 2-2. Okay, elbows in. Start with a C crunch, 2 and 2. Up, 2, down, 2. keep the abs in. Chin tucked into chest. Up and hold, 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 down, down. Hold for 3, for 2, to shoot out. Out, in, out, in. So arms and legs extend simultaneously. C crunch to 2. Up, 2, down, 2. Up and hold, 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 down, down. Hold for 3, for 2, to shoot out. Out, in, out, in. 4 more. Okay, ditch the plate. Come over to a hover and make a diamond shape with the hands. Tap the legs out and in. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, 2 walkouts to a spine push-up. 1, 2, up, up, down, down. Keep the hips down and the abs tight. We're nearly there. One more. And hold. Okay, we'll go straight to cool down. So we're going to child's pose. Toes together. Arms out in front. Okay, go up to hip flexor stretch. Bring one leg in front and bring the arm up. And twist. Okay, back to centre and change. And twist. Okay, back to centre. Up we come. Bring one heel to the bum, stretch out the quad. Try not to fall over, and change. Okay, bring that one down. Bring one arm across, look over the shoulder. And change. Okay, and come out. Bring the palms together, chin to chest. Push your way to release the back. Okay. And bring the arms wide, stretch out the chest. And take a deep breath in. Full body stretch, toes to fingertips. And release, and shake it out. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Keep an eye on the channel for any other workouts that will be coming out, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well done.